we're doing a comedy. And yeah, I'm Alien Doggy. And I'm Plucky. And the rest is Mr. Sun, Mr. Cookie. Let's start! Hey, good morning, Mr. Sun. Good morning, Plucky. Good morning, Alien Dog. Good morning, Cookie. Good morning there to Mr. Cookie. Let's buy some food. Hey, I want some burger, bro. Let's buy some burger. Mr. Sun, where's the food chain? Oh, go ahead there, bro. Bro, I can't eat here at this planet, bro. I'm just flying ahead. Bro, Alien Dog. Why are you there at space? But I fly to wee. Did bro just fly? Yeah, bro. She just fly. I can see him. Alien Dog. She's coming at Alien Dog. Bro, I can see him. I can see him, bro. Bro, fly, just fly. Bro, I see you, bro. Hey, guys. Let's buy some foods. Bro, I can buy some foods. Okay, Mr. Sun. Hey, Alien Dog, what you want? I want some burger and French fries. Bro, that's so expensive, bro. Hey, Plucky, what's your order? Fries and chicken sandwich. Okay, let's go. Thank you, guys. This is the end of our comedy. I'm Mr. Cookie. I'm Mr. Sun. I'm Alien Doggy. I'm Plucky.